You're probably thinking this is a real influencer, but she's completely AI generated.
And not just a face, this model has consistent identity, realistic expressions, and full creative control. With APOB AI, you don't just create images, you build your own AI influencer from scratch.
And today, I'll show you exactly how to do it.
The videos you just watched were created using an AI influencer. And honestly, many people think creating something like this requires a big team, expensive software, or advanced editing skills. But the truth is, this entire AI influencer was created using just one AI tool. So today I'm going to show you step by step how you can create your own realistic AI influencer using APOB AI, and how you can turn that influencer into images, videos, and even animated content. Let's start. First, click the link provided in the description and open APOB AI. Once you arrive on the homepage, simply log in using your Gmail account. After logging in, you'll see the main dashboard. Here you'll notice multiple ready-made AI influencer templates that you can use instantly. These templates are great if you want quick results. But today, we're going to create a completely new AI influencer from scratch. So click on Create Portrait Model. Now, APOB gives us two options. The first option is uploading a reference image if you already have a character design. The second option is AI Influencer Generator, which automatically creates a new influencer. I'm going with the AI Influencer Generator. Now comes the interesting part, customizing our influencer. Here we can design the character exactly how we want. First, choose gender. I'll select female. Next is age. I'll choose 23. Then we can adjust height and weight to define the body proportions. After that, choose body build type. I'll select toned, but you can experiment depending on your niche. Next, select country or ethnicity. There are many options available. Then we customize facial details like eye color, hairstyle, hair color, face shape. You can even add small details like dimples or facial marks if you want more realism. Once everything looks good, click Generate, and within seconds our AI influencer is ready. Take a look at this. Now we'll use this generated character as our reference model. Give your influencer a name. I'll call her Lana. Then add a short description like travel, fashion, or lifestyle creator. Now click Create Image Model, and our personal AI influencer model is ready. You can keep it private or make it public, depending on your preference. Now let's generate our first professional images. Click Build Your Own Model. Here we simply describe what we want our influencer to do. I'll enter a short prompt. Next, choose the style. I'm selecting realistic. For appearance, I'll choose formal. Environment will be a museum with sunset lighting. You can also select image quantity, aspect ratio, image quality. I'll choose Ultra 4K quality. Now click Generate, and within moments, our images are ready. You can clearly see the character remains consistent across different images, which is one of the biggest challenges in normal AI image tools. Save the images you like. Now let me show you another powerful feature. Image editing. Upload one of the generated images. Instead of creating a new character again, we simply describe a new environment. For example, I want the influencer sitting in a restaurant. Click Generate, and look at the result. The location and outfit change, but the same AI influencer remains perfectly consistent. This makes content creation extremely fast. Next, let's turn our influencer into video. Go to Image to Video. Upload the image we just created. Now describe the action you want. For example, walking, talking, or posing. You can also control camera movement and video duration. I will select 5 seconds in ultra quality. Click Generate. After a few seconds, our AI influencer video is ready.
I am enjoying my coffee.
And honestly, it looks very close to real human footage. Download the video. Now let me show you another powerful feature of APOB AI. You can actually add real products directly into your AI model's video, which is perfect for creating product ads. Go to Image to Video. Upload the AI model image we created earlier. Now click on Add Element. Here, upload the product you want to include. For example, I'll upload a bag. Next, enter the element name. I'll type bag. In the category section, choose product. Then add a short description of the item and click Save. Now in the main prompt area, simply describe what you want. For example, make her hold this bag naturally while walking. You can also add camera movement if you want a more cinematic look. Make sure to select Ultra S quality for the best results. Choose your video duration, then click Generate. Within seconds, your video will be ready. Take a look. It looks surprisingly realistic. Using this feature, you can easily create professional product ads with your AI influencer model. Simply download the video and you're ready to use it. Now here's one of my favorite features, Revideo. This allows you to replace a person inside an existing video. Upload any reference video. Then upload your AI influencer image as reference. Choose quality settings and generate. And now the original person in the video is replaced by our AI influencer while keeping the same movements and actions. This opens huge possibilities for content creators. Now, if we talk about pricing, APOB AI starts at around $10 per month, which is quite affordable considering everything it can do: influencer creation, image generation, and video animation all in one platform. If you want to try it yourself, you'll find the link in the description and pinned comment. And that's how you can create your own AI influencer completely using APOB AI. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Riavron for more AI tutorials and viral content ideas. And comment below what type of AI videos you want me to cover next.